My daughter, now we are going to read number 7 today, okay? The 7th Makharij is that of Jim.
Tajweed. Oh,
Ji-
I can see it now.
Yeah.
It's Ahkaam. It's that so.
Say, yeah, Sheen. Yeah. Yeah. They are read from the center of the mouth, which is the spread out portion and open area in the mouth, for the voice should spread in the cavity. Okay? Remember, Makharij number 7, yeah?
It's a teeth.
Yeah,
Spread
okay.
out the mouth.
Yeah,
Just spread out.
yeah.
Or it's
Come on, read it.
in the mouth of the cat.
Yes. They are read from the center of the mouth, which is a spread out portion and open area in the mouth, for the voice should spread in the cavity. Alright? Yeah, revise it. Come on. Thank you.
It's a